Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a tutorial on how to apply the headband wig, and I'm gonna show you guys how, I created this easy look. Literally took me like 5 minutes, guys. So without too much talking, don't forget to like, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to my channel. Let's get straight into the video. Hey guys, so welcome back. I know I sound monotone like I always do, but today we're about to do a install type video. So today I'm going to do the half wig. Is it called a half wig or a headband wig? I think it's a headband wig. So today I'm doing the headband wig video. I look bald, but I promise you I'm not bald. I'm doing this review for ViviBabi. Let's see if it's focusing. Okay, it is. And this is the wig. It came in this bag. It's water wave texture. It's 26 inches, and this is how the wig looks like. It looks like this. So this is ViviBabi's headband wig, water wave texture. This is how the inside looks like. Let me try to open it up a little bit more so you can get a better look. Okay, and there is a little strap right here. I guess that strap is to hold your hair in place once you put the wig on, and it has like a little headband on it that looks like this. So also in the box it has a few headbands. Let's see how many headbands. Oh, and it has their card. This is the card that is on there. Comes with a stocking cap, which I guess you could use the stocking cap, put it on your head. I think I might use a stocking cap because I always put stocking caps when I put my wigs on now. So this is headband number 1. Comes with this flower one. This one's cute. Ooh, ooh. And this one, I probably would wear this one because it's like not too much, and the floral one, and then the cheetah print one. So what I'm gonna do is detach this part and put the wig on. I kind of wanna, I think, you know what, maybe I'll put like a stocking cap on my head. I'm gonna put this stocking cap on. It's black. It's not the one they sent, but you know, I just wanna kind of, I guess, be extra. And then I'm going to put the wig on. So I've already unbuckled or whatever, and all right, cool. So okay, I didn't need to do all that. I was kind of dramatic a bit. I could see my armpits. I need to get a wax, so ignore my armpits, okay? I'm just trying to do a video here. I'm just trying to do a video. So what we're gonna do is tie the back. Already I'm kind of impressed. There we go. Okay, so this is how you attach the wig. That literally took me like a few seconds. I don't know if it doesn't really feel too secure, but I could be wrong. Wow, it is that simple to just, put this thing on. Let me put some water on the hair so it can so I just wet the hair in the bathroom because I couldn't find my spray bottle, and I'm gonna add, I don't want it to drip all over me, so I'm like sitting like this, but I'm gonna add some of the Nairobi foam wrap and just put it on the hair. This is only to test out the quality of the hair itself, but yeah. I do feel the wig is slipping, which I don't like. Might be because my head is really small, but yeah, the wig is a little slippy. I don't like that. Now let's brush through the curls. I go from the bottom up when I brush through. Yeah, the one thing I don't like about this wig, it's like not secure. So, because as I'm doing this right now, like the wig legit is slipping off my head. So I would probably, I'm gonna try the other headbands, because like look at this, wig is slipping. It's literally slipping right off my head. Let me just brush it through and I'm gonna lift it back up, because uh-oh, it's literally slipping, guys, slipping. Like I said, I do have a really small head, so it could be my fault. It could be my fault. I don't like that it's slipping. And the actual hair itself does have a bit of shedding. So this is all the hair. I've pulled all the hair in both sides right now. So this is all of it. All right. So yeah, this is the wig. I'm about to try one of the headbands they get, because maybe then it'll be a little bit more secure. I actually like this one, so I'm gonna try this one on. I like that they give you the headbands. Okay, so I guess what I'm gonna have to do is move the black one up a little closer and then just cover it with this one. Like that. Okay, and you can't see the old headband. Alright, alright. I don't know how to feel about this. It's okay, like, but one thing I must say, let me just talk about my pros and my cons. So I'm gonna talk about 3 pros and 3 cons. Number 1 pro is that it is an amazing protective style. So if you're natural, you don't want to wear wigs and the glue and all of that, or closures, and you want your hair to look more natural, then this is definitely like a good go-to wig, because you literally can throw it right on. Like, it took me like 5 minutes to put this wig on and really prepare it and, you know, set it like this. So it's definitely easy. Like, it's low maintenance wig. Love that. The second pro is that they give you hella headbands, so you don't have to go spend more money on headbands. And the third pro is the wig is very affordable. So I'm gonna put the price right here. You're not gonna have to spend that much money on this wig, which is really, really awesome. The curls are beautiful. I mean, look at this. The curls are very, very beautiful. I love water wave wigs, and I love water wave texture. This is a really beautiful water wave texture. So you will be very impressed with the quality of the hair. They didn't just put some trash hair and attach a headband onto it. But yeah, so now I'm gonna talk about the cons. The cons, first con, number 1 con is, maybe it's because my head is so small, but this wig slips, okay? While I was brushing it and everything, it was slipping off. And you know, if it's a windy day outside, I don't want to wear this wig and have my wig flying off somewhere. So I don't like how it's not as secure as I would want it to be. And the second thing is, with the hair, it was a little bit of shedding. And the third thing, the third and final thing is, well, I don't have a third con. The only 2 things I didn't like is the security of the wig and the bit of shedding that I got. This is ViviBabi hair. This is their headband wig, and let me get close up so y'all can really get a look. Don't mind my edges, okay, right here, because like makeup and whatnot. But you can check the description box below to purchase this wig. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And also, I want to say thank you to all the people that like my videos and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys next time. Definitely like my video. It, you know, it helps with my engagement and it helps my videos get out there to more people. So yeah, I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.